Hello, I'm Jasdoge and this is Easy Low FODMAP Everyday Cooking. As always, the recipe is in the video description. Let's make some halloumi and shrimp salad. For this, we need lactose-free halloumi, cucumber, tomatoes, dill and parsley, lettuce, shrimp and any additional vegetables that you like. As for the dressing, we need olive oil and crema balsamico, or however that's pronounced. Slice the halloumi and put some lactose-free butter or oil in a frying pan at fairly high heat. Put the halloumi slices in and fry until they get a yellow or golden hue. Then flip them and do the same. This happens fairly quickly, so don't leave the frying pan. Take the halloumi off the heat and chop the vegetables. All that's left now is to mix everything in a salad bowl. Pour a bit of oil and crema balsamico on top and you have yourself a nice meal.